Dawn Belisle here, and I am here to talk to you guys about the Ultimate Sugar Show. This is a fantastic conference that's taking place here in Atlanta in November. I happen to be an attorney 4 years ago after being in practice for 20 odd years. I decided I wanted to pursue my dream, and I opened my own online baking company called Delights by Dawn here in Atlanta. I specifically specialize in alcohol-infused cakes, cupcakes, and any other desserts that I can infuse. So if you are interested in learning the legalities of baking with booze, I will be teaching about the laws and what you have to know and how you have to deal with alcohol when you're baking. Then make sure you sign up for my class. I've taught before my specialty, which is alcohol, so baking with booze is one of the classes. And then the other class that I'm teaching is on pop-ups, festival, and events, because I've become somewhat the pop-up queen, and that's something that I do. I don't have a storefront. I have an online e-commerce bakery, and I love pop-ups, and I just love what they have to offer and meeting so many great people. So if you're really interested in learning how to do that, it does definitely add to the revenue of your business, and make sure you sign up for that class. So if you are interested in coming out to the conference, and make sure you purchase your ticket, because I guarantee you this all-encompassing conference will be the best conference you will ever attend if you are someone who is in or interested in the baking/sweets world. Hope to see you guys there November in Atlanta at the Cop Galleria Ultimate Sugar Show.